Let's add a dynamic highlight of cells and rows based on the cell we are working on. Let's use the conditional formatting as quick tips for real-life Excel problems. Our task is to validate the amounts booked per month on our reference row. So, imagine if we are doing this one by one. And imagine again if these are thousands of rows and thousands of columns. It would be easier to see at which row and at which column at a point where we are working on. So to do that, we will make use of the conditional formatting. Let's put our cell here to highlight the tables that we will need the formatting to be applied. Shift Control arrow down, Shift Control arrow right. Then let's go to Home, navigate Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Let's use a formula to determine which cells to format. So let's go to this field here and type in our formula. Cell, for the cell that we are defining, row, which will return the number of row that we selected, if it is equal to the row that we are putting our format on, then apply the conditional formatting. So let's go to Format. Let's make use of this one. And OK. Let's click OK here. And that's it. Here it is. Now let's go and do the same for our columns. Let's put our cell here, Shift Control arrow down, Shift Control arrow right. Then let's go again to conditional formatting, new rule. Let's use this. And let's type in our formula here. And now instead of row, let's use the column. And let's apply the same formatting, our fill. Click OK. So now it's done. Now this is applied. If we go here and we are typing in, and then if we go here and update any amounts, it will now highlight the intersection of where we are working on. Easy, right?